Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Badgerworks. Today, this. This is my mother's car. It's a Honda Jazz. And the gas struts on the boot have gone. So the boot lid won't stay open. So we're going to replace them. So let's get on with it. So yes, this is indeed my mother's venerable old Honda Jazz. And she called me the other day and said that the boot wouldn't stay open. And so I knew immediately what the problem was. It was these. So these are gas struts. And they basically work like a shock absorber. But what they do is they basically take the weight of the tailgate to hold it up when you open it. And this car's getting on a bit now. And they've stopped working. So I've got a replacement pair. And we're going to put them on. It's a fairly simple job. But we'll see how we get on. So what we need to do, let me move the camera a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Right. There we go. So what we've got on here is this little clip, and we need to get that off. I'll just put some gloves on because sometimes these things are a bit greasy. But you'll notice there is a little slot there, and I've just got a little screwdriver. And what we're going to do is just pop this off. And now these things are very easy to put on and very difficult to get off. So you can actually get a special tool to do this, which I don't have. So brute force and ignorance being the order of the day, as ever. Right, got that in there. What I'm going to do now is try and prop the boot somehow. Right, I've just put a prop under the boot lid just to be on the safe side, because what you don't want to do, I've already replaced the strut on the other side, which should be more than enough to hold it up, but I just don't want that to come clattering out and oh, as I said, this is kind of awkward. There we go. And we'll just pop that clip off. And I'll show you how this works in a minute, but we've got that little metal clip, you see. And so now we should be able to just take the weight of the boot lid and pop that off, you see. Like that. And then we'll do the same at the bottom. Drop the camera down a bit so you can see what I'm doing. I'm hoping this is actually going to show all right, because the sun is glaring on the screen. I can't see a bloody thing. Oh, comes one of the neighbours. So this bottom one tends to come off a lot easier for some reason. I'll probably have to blank that out so I don't get a copyright strike from how loud that guy's music was. But anyway, so there you go, that's off. Right, this is the new one. Hopefully you can see in there, but that clip in there just snaps around the ball and holds it in place, you see. So I'm just going to give this a quick spritz of this. This is spray grease. I'll just put a little squirt in there and a little squirt in the other end, like that. Oh, that went everywhere. And now we just pop that on there. Lift this up a little bit. Oh. And pop that on there like that. Now we can take this prop out and the boot lid stays up. Now it works. Ooh, rather well, in fact. But there you go. I thought it might be of interest for a few of you. Just a quickie. Stop laughing at the back. Yeah, my mother will be happy with that. She'll be able to open and close the boot lid on a car again. So, yes, I know it's just a quick one, but like I always said, I film what I do, and this is what I was doing. So hopefully you'll enjoy that. As ever, I'd like to thank my top tier patrons, Howard, Amy, Chris, and Hawaii Clive O, for their continued support. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers. Bye.